quick update here at Hilton London Heathrow Terminal 4. We just wanted to walk you through the site, which is really due to be finished in the next sort of 3 weeks, just to show you where we are. We're standing in reception, and as you can see at the top there, we have the huge chandelier which has started to be hung with all the wires coming down. This will sort of sit above our new reception pods for check-in. Let's walk around this way and we'll show you our food and beverage outlet. As we come through to the public space, which is really the atrium of the hotel, this is where we're sitting in our bar. So this is going to be a nice round seating area. There's going to be a huge real tree right in the middle, as well as a couple of other trees within the atrium. You'll see that we still have 3 outlets in this space: Oxbow Bar, Oxbow Kitchen and Oxbow Cafe, all which will offer completely different dining experiences. So as we walk through into the atrium, you have what was Dancer's Bar, but now has been rebranded to Oxbow Bar, which will be a very different experience to what it was before. As we come through to the cafe, this will all be sort of seating with greenery and chandeliers hanging down. Oxbow Cafe, you can get a coffee in the morning, but also it's available for all-day dining. As we walk through this way, this is going into Oxbow Kitchen. So this is where our main breakfast buffet will be served. This is really a great space because you can also exclusively hire it for a conference lunch or for a dinner, up to 120 people. And this space, again, will have a load of greenery hanging down. You'll have lights, you'll have different kind of seats with booths and chairs. And this is the buffet area. So the buffet will be for breakfast mainly, but also we would have buffet area for delegates who are here for a meeting, as well as dinner or a plated dinner if you wanted a more fine dining experience. One fun fact when leaving Oxbow Kitchen is that we'll have 7 chandeliers in the atrium here, and all of these lights you see around the side are lux lights. So the 3 real trees that we have, as well as plants within our atrium, need 1,000 lux of light a day to be able to naturally grow within an indoor environment. Back into our meeting space. Not a whole lot has changed down here. However, we will be putting brand new carpets through all the meeting rooms, as well as along the corridor. But also, the best part of this space is where we used to have this sort of shared foyer area. We now have a much larger space for you to have your breaks, your lunch. If you wanted to break out and do sort of team activities with flip charts, we have the whole of the Concord exhibition space for you to do that in. So whether you have the Concord as your meeting room and you can come through the glass doors into this space, we can either privatize it for you, or we could just have it as a public space for everyone to enjoy throughout the day. As you are, we are all working from home and only come in especially to do these videos to keep you up to date with our refurbishment. The next time we'll do a video, we'll definitely have the finished product, which we can't wait to share with you.